Hello, and welcome to Theatre Bites, essential theatre knowledge in minutes. Today, we're exploring Expressionism, the bold, distorted, and emotional theatre movement that said, don't show the outside world, show what it feels like inside. Expressionism began in Germany in the early 20th century, right before and after World War I. It was a reaction against the realism and order of naturalism. Expressionist theatre was intense, emotional, and stylised, using distorted sets, abstract movement, and shocking imagery to express the inner emotional truth of characters. It wasn't about what happened, it was about how it felt. Here's what you'd find in an expressionistic play. Characters as types, like the father, the machine, the everyman. Distorted scenery, jagged buildings, oversized doors, weird angles. Heightened acting, shouting, chanting, robotic or frantic movement. Themes of isolation, identity, control. It was messy, intense, and totally theatrical. Expressionism grew out of a world in crisis. After World War I, people felt alienated by industrialization, technology, and urban life. Expressionist theatre was a way to shout back at the chaos, showing the world through the eyes of someone who felt powerless, confused, or angry. Important playwrights included Georg Kaiser Ernst Toller, Elmer Rice, and Sophie Treadwell. Expressionism also influenced future directors like Brecht and Artaud, who developed their own theatrical revolutions in response. Expressionism ripped up the rulebook and painted the stage with emotion to keep theatre loud, raw, and alive. Thanks for watching Theatre Bites, your shortcut to essential theatre knowledge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. And if there's a topic you'd like me to cover, then leave a comment or suggestion below. I'd love to hear what you would like next. Until then, see you in the next bite.